In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to construct an angle that's 120 degrees. If I were to construct an equilateral triangle, we know that all three angles are 60 degrees, which would mean this angle right here is 60 degrees. Now if I construct another equilateral triangle onto the side of that, those angles are also 60 degrees, which means that this angle is 60 degrees. That means if I combine both angles, the two angles together would add up to 120 degrees. And that's what I want for this problem. So let's start by taking our straight edge and drawing a line segment there. And we're going to label a point on there as point A. I'm going to take my compass and we're going to mark off a length, and I'm going to call it point B. So AB is going to be the length of all the sides of my two equilateral triangles. So to construct that, I'm going to draw an arc from both of the points A and B, and I will draw one of the sides. Now I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to construct another equilateral triangle here. So I take my point, put it on both of these, and draw my little arc. I'm going to label this point C and this point D. And I'm going to draw the other side of that triangle as well. And now you can see, if I look at this ray and this ray, the angle right here is 120 degrees. And the reason I know that is because this small angle here is 60 degrees, and so is this one, because they are both part of equilateral triangles. And 60 plus 60 adds up to 120. Here's another way to draw the same angle. I'm going to start with a line segment. I'm going to label a point A, like I did before, and I'm also going to mark off an arc here, and I'm going to label that point B. And I'm going to construct an equilateral triangle, like I did in the last example. However, the difference here is going to be that when I look at this, and I'm going to label this point C, I'm going to draw AC, and you'll notice, as we've mentioned before, this is a 60-degree angle. Now, if I look at the supplement of that angle, this angle right here, this must be 120 degrees, because a linear pair or supplementary angles must add up to 180 degrees. So by constructing a single 60-degree angle and then considering its supplement, I have my 120-degree angle.